I'm back again to continue from where I stopped. So we're still on poultry production. So I'm here to teach you another interesting topic on poultry production titled System of Poultry Management. I hope you have poultry at home. Have you been to the poultry farm before? Can you tell me various ways of managing birds in the poultry farm? So before you answer my questions, let me give you the meaning of poultry management. So poultry management is a system of keeping poultry birds by providing proper sanitation, good housing, good ventilation, proper hygiene and balanced ration. So if you take proper care of our poultry birds, they will give us what? Maximum production. They'll give us what? Maximum production. So there are three systems of poultry management. They are as follows. The first one is intensive system of poultry management, semi-intensive system of poultry management, and extensive system of poultry management. So the three systems are intensive system, semi-intensive system, and what? Extensive system of poultry management. So let me start with extensive system. What is extensive system of poultry management? So this extensive system of poultry management is the traditional way of rearing chicken or birds. So in this system, the birds are allowed to do what? To roam about, to fend for themselves. That is, they are allowed to move from one place to another in search of food, vegetables, and insects. The farmers don't take proper care of birds under extensive system. They move around to do what? To fend for themselves. Then in the evening, they may settle at a corner to do what? To roast or to have a rest. Then some of the birds may end up sleeping on top of the trees. So this type is called what? Extensive what? System of poultry management. And the disadvantage of this system is that some birds may be stolen on the way. Some of them may be killed by vehicles. And they have high instead of what? Attracting diseases. So the next system of poultry management I'm going to discuss is intensive system. So the second system is called what? Intensive what? System. So under the intensive system, the farmer provides what? Houses for the poultry houses or poultry pens for the birds, or poultry what? Cages. So the birds are taken proper care of by the farmer. Food and water are provided for the birds inside their poultry pens or poultry houses, and medications are also be given to them. Proper sanitation is also observed too in intensive system of poultry management. So the next system, the third system is what? Semi-intensive what? System. So under semi-intensive system of poultry management, the farmer allows the birds to do what? To roam about, to move about in search of food. Then later, farmer will equally provide what? Feeds and water for the birds. So we call it what? Semi-intensive system. So the birds, they move out for maximum what? Exercises, and at the same time to fend for themselves. And the balanced ration is also being provided by the farmer to those birds. So the three systems of poultry management, I have given you the three systems. So let us look at the notes here. So first of all, look at the definition of poultry management. So poultry management is the system of taking care of poultry birds by providing proper housing, balanced ration, and high level of sanitation. There are three systems of poultry management. They are as follows. Number one is extensive or free-range system. The second is intensive system, while the third is semi-intensive system. Then extensive or free-range system. In this system, the fowls are permitted to roam about and fend for themselves during the day and come back at night to roast. Advantages of extensive system. Number one, the birds are healthier as a result of constant exercises or freedom. Number two, the birds have access to natural food, example, insects, worms, and other food materials. Number three, there is no cost for accommodating the birds. The disadvantages are some birds are liable to road accidents, killed by wild animals and predators, stolen by thieves, and exposed to diseases. The second system is intensive system. In this system, birds are kept indoors throughout the rearing period. Three main types of intensive systems are deep litter system, slate or wire floor system, and battery cage system. Number one, in deep litter system, rooms are provided with adequate ventilation. Feeding and drinking troughs are provided to allow each bird to feed and drink frequently. The advantages are birds have enough space for exercise. They are protected from thieves and predators. Then the disadvantages are diseases and pests are easily spread. There is high cost of constructing the poultry house. Number two intensive system is battery cage system. Here, wire cages are used to enclose the birds. It provides better accommodation for birds. Eggs production is high. The third intensive system of poultry management is slate or wire floor system. Birds are raised in the slated or wired floor. So the next system of poultry management is called semi-intensive system. Here the birds are allowed to move freely in the runs during the day and feed themselves. At night, the birds are restricted to the house within the run. Children, after the notes, see the assignments. You put down the assignments. Make sure you do your assignments. The first assignment is list 3 systems of poultry management. Number 2 question is explain the 3 systems listed above. Third question, state 2 advantages and disadvantages of intensive system. Then the fourth question is enumerate 2 advantages of extensive system of poultry management. Children, bye. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you next time.